Now, dear student, till now we have learned how we can convert the sentence which is based on present tense and past tense can be converted into passive voice. Now, it's time to see that how the sentence which is based on future tense will also be converted from active voice to passive voice. Okay, so let's see. My dear children, future tense is also split into two groups, future indefinite and future perfect, according to the use in passive voice. So first of all, we will learn about the future indefinite, and I will start from the same affirmative. Affirmative. Okay. And now what I will do, I will write the structure for active voice. So my dear children, there will be subject first of all. After that, we need to put a proper auxiliary verb. So in the future tense, the auxiliary verb will be shall or will. And let me tell you, in the future tense, we use the first form of verb, and after that, we will place the suitable object. Okay. Now, my dear children, let me give you a suitable example. I shall finish the lecture. I shall finish the lecture by 5 p.m. Okay, now my dear children, I shall finish the lecture by 5 p.m. Now what I will do, I will write the passive structure to convert it into passive form. Passive. The structure will be, my dear children, object will take the place of subject. I will put the same auxiliary verb, shall or will. Then after, I will put be over here. After that, I will use the same third form of verb. Then, as you already know, by will be added over here, and then I will place the exact doer according to the sentence. Okay, now let me give you the same example but after the conversion. The lecture will be finished by me by 5 p.m. Okay, my dear children, the lecture will be finished by me by 5 p.m. Okay. Now, my dear children, let's see. It's time to move for the interrogative sentence. Interrogative one. First of all, I will write the active structure. Then after, I will give you the suitable example. In the interrogative, I have already told you in the previous classes that the auxiliary verb will comes before the subject. So, shall or will, which is the auxiliary verb for future tense, will come before the subject plus subject. After that, the first form of verb that we use, and then I will place the object along with the sign of interrogation. Now, let me give you the exact example. Shall I finish the lecture by 5 p.m. Now, my dear children, let me write the structure of passive. Usually, the auxiliary verb will be placed first, shall or will, and after that, object will take the place. Then after, I will add be, and as you already know, the third form of verb will be applied over here. Then after I will add by and will place the adjective doer over here, right? Along with the sign of interrogation. Now, my dear children, let's see the example. Will the lecture be finished by me by 5 p.m. Will the lecture be finished by me by 5 p.m.? Okay. Now, my dear children, over here the future indefinite comes over, and now let me move to the next one, which is future perfect. Okay. We need to learn it very sincerely. Future perfect. Okay, my dear children. Now, let me start from the same affirmative group. From the same affirmative group, and let me write the structure of active first of all. For the future perfect, my dear children, the subject will comes first. Subject will comes first, and after that the auxiliary verb like shall or will. Then after I will place have over here. Then I will use the third form of verb, and then object will be placed over there, right? Okay. And now let me give you a suitable example for this. I shall have completed the course before December. I shall have completed the course before December. Now, my dear friend, let me write the structure of passive form. First of all, object will take the place over here. Then after I need to add an auxiliary verb, which is shall or will for future tense. Then after I will add have, and then been I will add. Then after, we already know the third form verb will be used in passive voice. After that I will add by and will place the doer. Okay. Now let's see the correct conversion of this example. Will the course have been completed by me before December? Okay. Oh, sorry. No, there is a mistake committed by me, because this sentence is in affirmative, so the answer will be in affirmative as well. The course will have been completed will be over here. The course will have been completed by me before December. Completed by me before December. Okay. Now, my dear friend, now let me take you to the next group of sentences, which is an interrogative group. Interrogative group. Okay. In this group, my dear children, we will learn all those sentences which ask questions, how they will convert it from active to passive in future tense. Okay. Now let me write the structure for active first of all. Dear children, as you already know, in the interrogative sentence, an auxiliary verb comes before the subject. So I will place shall or will first of all. Then after I will place subject. After that I will put have. Then the third form of verb will be applied over here, and then I will place an object along with the sign of interrogation. Now, my dear children, let's see the example. Shall I have completed the course before December? Now, let's see its passive structure. My dear children, obviously the auxiliary verb will come first. Shall, either, will. Then after I will place an object over there. Then I will add have. After that, been will be applied over here. Then I will use the third form of verb. Then after I will add by and will put the doer on its place along with the sign of interrogation marks. And now, my dear children, let me give you the correct conversion of this example. Now, the conversion will be, will the course have been, will the course have been completed by me, before December? Will the course have been completed by me before December? Now, my dear children, over here today we have learned that the sentences which will be depends on the tenses like present tense, past tense and future tense, how we can convert it into passive voice. Most of the thing we have learned that the sentences, if they are in interrogative group or either in the group of affirmative, they can be converted into passive voice. So, my dear children, I will request you to please focus on all these videos, because this video is very helpful for you for your upcoming periodic test as well as your half-yearly examinations. Okay?